We're back. It's been a little while. Every day I think about you guys. Who said cat? You're right. But check this out. What we're doing today, anybody who follows me on Instagram knows, kind of busy right now. Obviously when I put something into goal form, I like to stick by it, and I have a lot of goals with this car this year. So Bane is right here. There's nothing wrong with him. He's still running on the motor with the rods in it that you guys seen me put together a couple episodes back. You can look at the car and see I drive this thing every day. It's like a fucking daily at this point. We just gassed it up, and we got a set of pistons that just came in. These are custom pistons from China. So these are made specifically for me for the 3.6. This is stock bore, standard size, stock compression ratio. So look at these things, man. Good old Kingtec. Got the coatings on the side. I'm telling you guys, China's stepping their shit up. The B58 guys, I'll let you know. I was gonna put this sphere block together myself, but I'm fresh out of time right now. So this is gonna be the block that we're shooting for 1,000 horsepower on. So as you can see, 2, 3, 4. We got the stainless steel head gaskets with the fire rings, pistons and rods. Here goes the sphere rods here, the sphere BSA rods. New crank, got bearings and stuff in another box. So what we're gonna do now is load all this stuff up, and we're going to the machine shop with it. They're gonna put it together for us. So let's get this stuff in the car. Let's go get about our day. Bane ain't starting the week, so actually let's not do it in the house. I'll roll it out. We're gonna do a cold start. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Audi coils. This is on the Kingtec. Straight cut gear set. The motor's gonna be going back to being a built motor. Pistons, rods, cams, the whole nine. So my intention of it is to do
parts. The Volvo stuff too. I used to live in Southington, and I was on the highway one day, and I heard what I thought was a V5S4, like
right.
And when I got close enough, I was like, "Those are Saab taillights."
That's
I couldn't tell.
that's
That's a Saab.
that was probably prolific,
what
bro.
What the hell is this thing?
Yeah, that was probably prolific.
It was a couple of them, and they were horsing around, and I tried looking on Instagram for some.
I'm telling you 100% prolific bills. Yep, 100%.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I got excited when I saw that. Because I'm a Volvo guy.
Oh,
So-
Swedish. Come on, man. The Swedish guys gotta stick together.
Yeah, man. That's sick.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I'm glad I finally got to see what's underneath what I think I heard.
When I
definitely heard correct.
those one,
Red one?
there's a red one, Red Fury. That's prolific builds. Then they have another one that's black and another one that's gray.
It was dark. It was. I've seen.
I know exactly
I've seen
what
the
you're
red one.
talking about.
It was one of the darker ones.
Yeah,
So.
that's prolific. Yeah.
That's so funny.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go back to work. Go.
Good luck.
Do you have any questions? All right. Yep. Thanks, man. Good to meet you guys.
Nice, man. Thank you. So when I'm running it heavy, I'm doing can E, like 1R or Ignite Red.
Yeah.
But when I'm just on the street, I just use pump E. Just
Get it Southington.
yes. It's testing good right now, but I don't run it hard on pump E ever. I don't trust it because it fluctuates. It'll go from E60 to E85.
You can monitoring it. Get your own tester.
Yeah, I have my own tester. But Southington, Southington has been at 78 or so, but I haven't since I haven't ran the car hard. The most it's done was a 2-step, and that was it. Right. So we'll put this one together and we'll see what it does. Like I said, I know what I signed up for. I'm a big boy.
Well, it's nice to have 2 tunes.
Yeah. I have the ability to put 5 on that ECU.
But I would concentrate on a cruising tune, low boost. You have a computer control base case there to keep the boost down.
Right.
So keep it like 15, 18, something like that. On the pump.
Right.
5, just clean, nice
Right.
clean tune. Make it test out your tuning skills. Get
Right.
The best
That's
like
either positive.
OEM type tune.
Right.
OEM quality.
Yeah.
Starts good,
Yeah, yep.
runs good, and then you build from there.
That's a good idea.
But you need to have
A very good
baseline
base.
success.
Yes. I'll do that on this motor. I think that's a good idea. I'll do that on this motor. I'll just dial it.
keep
Any
get
little
better,
thing.
get better,
Dial it,
get
dial it,
better,
dial
get
it,
better,
dial it,
get
dial
better,
it.
get better. It has self-learning
Mm-hmm.
capabilities. You're gonna want to keep with that. But if you get it down where it's not correcting any more than like 1%,
Yes.
you're doing there coming in.
All right. Thank you so much, Bill.
All right. See ya.
It's been a pleasure again.
See ya.
You got my number. You give me a call.
Yep.
All right. All of our shit we left. We left him with a little bit of a puzzle to put together, but he'll get it done. Look at Bane in all his glory. My God, what a pretty car, huh? All right, guys. We got the engine dropped off. It'll probably be a month, maybe a couple weeks before he gets it back to us. I promise you that once we get the engine back, we're gonna get back into Sonic mode, get it back in the car, and get it in a dyno. I heard somebody say cap. Who said cap? Which one of y'all said cap? See? This is why I stopped making videos. Peace out, guys.